Hello children, let's draw some shapes. Black color, square, square, circle, circle, triangle, triangle, star, star, heart, heart, pentagon, let's learn some colors name. Dark green color, light green color, brown color, red color, black color, blue color, yellow color, orange color, square, yellow color, circle, red color, triangle, sky blue color, star, light green color, heart, pink color, pentagon, orange color, square, yellow color, circle, red color, triangle, sky blue color, star, green color, heart, pink color, pentagon. Please like my video and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching my video. Thank you children.